Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss the another important genetic disorder which is known as hemophilia. Hemophilia is also known as royal disease or bleeder's disease. Now question is that rise, what is hemophilia? Basically hemophilia is a sex linked recessive disease, and those humans are suffering from these types of disease. There is a specific condition in their body. Basically, for the blood clotting, one protein is responsible, and which protein is responsible for the blood clotting, this is affected in the hemophilic patient. Further, an affected individual, a simple cut will result in non-stop bleeding. In this way, excessive bleeding may be responsible for the death. So that's why it is harmful for the particular patient. Basically, the hemophilia A have got two types. First, hemophilia A, hemophilia B. Hemophilia A means due to the non-formation of clotting factor 8th. Hemophilia B due to the non-formation of the clotting factor 9. So clotting factor 8 and clotting factor 9 are responsible for the different types of clottings. Hemophilia, it is a X-linkage recessive disorder. Indirectly we can say that it is a X-linked disorder. What is the meaning of X-linked disorder? We know that human beings have got 23 pair of chromosomes, 22 are autosomes, and one is known as sex chromosome. In the sex chromosome, X or Y are related to it. Only in humans, only X will related to the disease, always, but not Y. Why? Because Y chromosome have not any types of genes. Y में कोई भी जीन्स नहीं होता है, इसलिए Y कभी भी affected नहीं होता है. So in the case of humans, especially male या तो affected होंगे. If X is affected, then they will be affected. If X is normal, then they will be normal. Humans can't be carrier. Humans carrier नहीं हो सकते. But in the case of female can be easily carrier. Female have both types of X and X chromosomes. So if one chromosome is affected, one is in a normal way, then the female is carrier. If both are affected, if both chromosomes are affected, if this condition is rare, the particular female will be diseased or affected. If both have not any types of hemophilic gene, then female will be normal. So with the help of a question, we can easily understood. If a normal male marries with a carrier female, what will be their next progeny? Normal male represented by X and Y, carrier female is represented by X, and the X have got a hemophilic gene. Now whenever cross takes place between them, what will their next progeny? Here we have the Punnett chart. XY, normal man, X, or this X is related to the related hemophilic gene. Whenever cross takes place between these both male and female, we have four types of conditions. First, XX normal female will arise. X affected or X is simple, it means carrier female is responsible for this. X is affected now, Y have not any types of affected gene, so it is affected male represent, and XY is related to the normal female. It means there are 50% chances related to the normal male and normal female, and the all types of female, they will be normal or carrier. But in the case of human beings, male, they will be affected or normal in condition. So this example, with the help of this example, we can easily understood the diagrammatic representation of the hemophilia with the help of the Punnett chart.